What's up, guys? Mr. Silva here with this tutorial on how to make money with vinyl. This is the first of a series of tutorials that I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make money, different ways to make money with vinyl, pretty much with vinyl decals. For your reference on this tutorial, I'm gonna be using the Silhouette Cameo to cut the vinyl, and I'm gonna be using Oracle 651 outdoor vinyl. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna open my Silhouette Studio. This software comes with the Silhouette Cameo, and you can buy the Pro software if you have the money to do so. So I'm gonna open my file, and right now I'm gonna make a baby on board. This is so popular, the baby on board kind of decal. This decal sells really good. People like to put that outside of the car so other drivers know that there's a baby inside, and they have to be careful when driving. So this is a really good selling decal. Now I need to adjust the size of my design. I want this to be approximate 5 by 6. That's the size I want this design. And once I have the size, I'm gonna maximize the vinyl, the space for the vinyl. So I'm gonna make 2, just in case I sell another one. I have this one ready, and I don't have to waste much vinyl. And I align the design, and then I go to the cutting settings, and then I select the material type, which is vinyl, and all the configuration is already set. So now I just have to send it to the cutter and wait the design, wait the cutter to cut the design and finish to go to the what's it called, the weeding part of the process. So let's start, and let's see. I'll be right back when I have when the cutting machine finishes the design. Okay, so this is my Silhouette Cameo, cutting the decal, the baby on board decal. I'm gonna make this decal on a glossy black color. The cutting can take a few minutes depending how many decals are you cutting at the same time. In this case, I'm cutting 2 decals for using wasting less vinyl, as I mentioned before. And there you go. Here are my 2 decals ready to the weeding process, and I see you guys in a bit, so I'm gonna show you the weeding process. Okay, so we're ready to finish the decal. I'm gonna use scissors, my weeding tool, and I'm gonna use some masking tape. I could use the cutting board. The Silhouette Cameo has a really nice cutting board, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna use the masking tape so I can put the decal flat on the table. So I'm gonna start putting piece of tape at the backing of paper, so it let me stick it to the table, and the weeding process is gonna be a way easier. It is very important that the vinyl stays flat on the table. So once you finish weeding the decal, like I used to start from the corners, and I used to weed the larger parts of the decal. So it's very important that the decal stay flat, so when you're gonna apply the transfer tape, it's gonna be way easier for you. Otherwise you can mess up with the decal and ruin all the job you already done. You gotta be extra careful when weeding the tiny parts of the design, and also remember, before you even cut the decal, remember to check the spelling, because sometimes if you're making a custom decal with a name or a last name, and you misspell it, the customer is gonna be mad at you. So you gotta make sure that all the spelling is correct. Also make sure that you weed all the tiny parts of the decal, and in this case all the letters, and if the other part of the decal that is not supposed to peel off is peeling off, so you can rub it and try to fix, so you don't have an issue. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up, and I get back with you guys in a bit when I'm going to apply the transfer tape. Okay, so here's the transfer tape. I used to use the Oracle brand transfer tape, but I found this one way cheaper, and it works really good. I also like the grid it has, so it's easier to align the design when you wanna place it. So I got this one, I think I got it from Amazon, and it was a really good deal. So you have to measure the design and try to figure out how much transfer tape you're gonna need for that design. It's better that you cut a larger piece, because even if you waste a little bit of transfer tape, but if you cut the piece so short, you can screw the decal in the process. So you cut the piece that you're gonna need. In this case, I'm gonna make a second decal later. It's not gonna be on the video, but I'm gonna use the whole piece of paper. Now I'm just gonna cut whatever I need for this design. So I do the other design later. This part is very important also. At this point, when you see the design and everything, you're so excited, believe me. So you remove the backing of the paper and then try to align as perfect as you can with the design. So, and you have to do it really, really good. So, and then you just have to take you can use a credit card or any flat object to do this. But I got this Cricut wedge, which is really good and helps me out. Once you align the transfer paper with the design, you start rubbing with the wedge. The more evenly you rub it, the better. So you don't want to get any bubbles between the transfer tape and the vinyl. That's why I mentioned before, it's so important to lay the vinyl really flat on the table. So you see, it's really easy to remove the transfer tape with the design already. You don't have to struggle if you do it, if you stick it to the table really flat. Then you put the backing and rub it so it's not gonna adhere to the decal. Actually, it's just the backing that the customer is gonna peel off when they're gonna place the decal. And then you gently rub it and we are done. Here we have the baby of board decal ready to ship to the customer. And we have a few dollars here. We made really easy and piece of cake. You just trim whatever remains on the decal, so you make it the right size, and here we are. It's done. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, just let me know, send me a message or in the comments. I'll be happy to answer all your questions, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos. See you next time.